pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb!
Well, I'll be a dirty bird.
Just one more test and you're in.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, mooch applies to you. Phooey. Clothes. And just when I'm in the mood for food.
My name? Oh, that's easy. My name's Woody Murgatroyd Francis O'Leary Benvenuti Ephraim Hotchkiss George Woodpecker. Woody Woodpecker for short.
You know, people are nuts. Pardon me. Would one of you step in the lobby and get me a candy bar?
You might as well go get some popcorn, folks, while Mrs. Dummy here gets some more bullets.
Oh, well, maybe I can cut my own hair. I cut my own teeth. Oh, boy! Food! That's my favorite dish. That's my favorite dish.
Go lay an egg!
Hey, watch where you're going, you egghead!
Could you possibly make any more noise?
Sure, that's a cinch.